Hi, I'm Malcolm, and as you can see, I'm a lollipop man. Person. Sorry, society's evolving. Yeah. So average day, I wake up, have a shower, get some breakfast if we've got time, and then I decide what I'm gonna wear. Under the coat, obviously, and then I go to work. Yeah, definitely, I enjoy it. I mean, it is dangerous, putting my life on the line every day.
Christ, you fucking asshole piece of shit! Jesus Christ! Oh my God, there's a road here! Bloody hell! Oh. Go, Cameron!
Oh, the uniform. I'm just not good with zips.
Yeah, it's a really hard job, but if it weren't for the kids, I don't think I could do it.
Malcolm, it's 6 o'clock now.
Oh, thank you.
So, as you read earlier, the government is trying to get rid of us lollipop people, which I'm not best pleased with, because, you know, it's to cut their costs. And I've spent my entire life protecting children on these roads. I mean, I'm not being funny or anything. My mum was a doctor and my father was a police officer, so I've got to try and impress them. And I think they're incredibly proud that I managed to get into the public service industry. And I genuinely don't know what I'd do if I lost this job. It'd be devastating. And people don't understand it. There's a lot to learn in this industry. It's quite hard.
So we've got the top here, and you think the bottom would be at the bottom, but it's not. It's at the top before it's folded. So we unfold it like this, and then we took... What? So I've just heard they're sending someone from head office. They've come to check up on my workflow, which means they're basically going to be making sure I'm getting all the procedures right. So, no stupid mistakes from me today.
Understandably, I was a bit agitated hearing that there would be a possibility of a government official to come and check up on my work.
Sorry, mate. Come here a second. Are you from the government?
Look, I was stressed. Maybe I took things a little too far.
How about a joke?
A joke.
So, I hate lollipop, man. Do you know why?
I was also quite
You always make me cross.
tetchy. So, a parent told my boss about the fight, which means I've been involuntary retired from active service for 2 weeks. But on the plus side, I found love. Say hello then. That did solve the government problem though, because Diane here, funnily enough, is actually the government official that they sent to check up me and all my work. And it was quite romantic, really. We sort of saw each other across a crowded street, and our love just blossomed from there. So it's all coming up roses.